Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss the most important topics related to building wealth. Today, we delve into a timeless debate: real estate versus stock market. Which is better for building wealth? Kindly leave your answer in the comment section below. Hey everyone! I'm excited to bring you this thought-provoking discussion today. Real estate and the stock market are two popular avenues for investment, each with its own set of pros and cons. Let's dive right in and compare them. Real estate pros. Real estate has long been considered a stable and tangible investment option. Here are a few reasons why it could be a great choice for building wealth. Number 1. Tangible asset. When you invest in real estate, you acquire a physical property that holds intrinsic value. This asset can appreciate over time, generating both rental income and potential capital gains. Unlike stocks, which represent ownership in a company, real estate provides you with a tangible asset that you can see, touch, and have control over. Number 2. Cash flow. Rental properties offer the advantage of generating passive income. By leasing out your property, you can have a consistent cash flow stream that can be reinvested or used to cover your expenses. This can provide a steady source of income, especially if you have multiple properties or invest in commercial real estate. Number 3. Leverage. Real estate provides opportunities for leveraging other people's money, such as obtaining mortgages or partnering with investors. This allows you to control a larger asset base while investing a smaller portion of your own money. By using leverage wisely, you can amplify your returns and accelerate wealth building compared to investing solely with your own funds. Number 4. Potential tax benefits. Real estate investment offers various tax advantages that can help increase your overall returns. For example, rental income is often taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income, and you may be eligible for deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, depreciation, and maintenance expenses. These tax benefits can positively impact your cash flow and contribute to long-term wealth accumulation. Stock market pros. On the other hand, the stock market offers unique advantages that have attracted countless investors. Let's explore why it may be an excellent option for wealth building. Number 1. Growth potential. Historically, the stock market has shown remarkable growth over the long term. Well-researched investments in companies with solid fundamentals can provide substantial returns, outperforming other investment options. By investing in stocks, you have the opportunity to participate in the success and growth of businesses and industries, capitalizing on innovations, market trends, and economic expansion. Number 2. Accessibility and flexibility. Unlike real estate, investing in the stock market doesn't require a significant upfront investment. You can start small and gradually increase your holdings. Additionally, the stock market offers flexibility in terms of investment strategies, such as long-term investing, day trading, or dividend investing. Whether you prefer a hands-on approach or a more passive strategy, the stock market provides options to suit your preferences and financial goals. Number 3. Information transparency. The stock market operates in a highly regulated environment, with publicly traded companies required to disclose information regularly. This transparency allows investors to access a wealth of financial data, company reports, analyst opinions, and market news, empowering them to make informed investment decisions. The availability of information helps investors assess the fundamental strength, growth potential, and financial health of the companies they consider investing in. Number 4. Lower transaction costs. Compared to real estate transactions, buying and selling stocks typically involve lower transaction costs. While real estate transactions often come with expenses like closing costs, agent commissions, and property maintenance, trading stocks generally incurs lower fees and commissions, particularly with the rise of online discount brokerages. This cost advantage can be beneficial, especially for small investors or those who engage in frequent trading activities. While both real estate and the stock market offer compelling reasons to invest, it's important to consider some challenges as well. Real estate can have high entry costs, including down payments, closing costs, and property maintenance. Market fluctuations can also impact property values, and property management can be time-consuming. On the other hand, the stock market can be volatile, subject to market downturns and short-term fluctuations. It requires continuous monitoring, analysis, and the ability to handle risk.